All right, this is from my buddy Charles. I promised him I'd make a video of the original El Chapo Muchacho 1.0. So here it is. We got the brand new El Chapo Muchacho 2.0, but today the focus is the 1.0. Charles, as you can see, you got the beautiful 6 foot by, zoom back here, 6 foot by 40 foot front covered porch. You got your 26 gauge metal roof. And let me show you how this is built here. Like I said, you got the 4x6 rough cut southern yellow pine, stained, treated. You got your chinking. You got your chinking in between. Got your shutters there. There's 2 runners, 10 foot off center underneath there that the block can sit on as your as far as your when we block that up for your foundation. There's the back side of it. Okay, let's go inside real quick, show you what else we got going on here. Got your porch swing, which is included. Okay, as you can see, you got hinges up top. The top of the porch folds down, bottom of the porch folds up. All the railings come out, and we put them in the cabin for transportation. That way when the cabin shows up, it's like one big rectangle. You got your screened in porch on the front, your screened in door. You walk in, and the Amish just brought this one over to me, so you can see we ain't got it fully set up yet. But when you look to the right, okay, first room to the left is the bathroom. Then you got another bedroom and the bedroom there at the end. You got a spot here where you can have you a little kitchen. Most folks will put their sink right in here. Okay, you got your cabinet up there, all handcrafted. To the right, you can put you a stove or refrigerator. To the left, stove or refrigerator. I turn around. This is your living room area. Okay, there you go. This is what we call the shell, right? So if y'all just want to buy the shell, the finished shell, this is the way it comes. And then you can put the electric, plumbing, heating, and cooling in it yourself. As we go down the hallway, notice the windows got these little lips on them. You go down the hallway, you got your sliding door here. Okay, that's where your bathroom's gonna go. Then you got another sliding door here for bedroom number 1. Okay, and last but not least, the last bedroom here at the end. We're getting ready to put a bed in there now. Built by the Amish. So this is a 2-bed, 1-bath setup. 2-bed, 1-bath setup. A lot of natural light coming in. Okay. And again, walking back, just wanted to film this for my buddy Charles real quick. He wanted to see what it all looks like. So this is the way it comes. You got your knotty pine floors, southern yellow pine 4x6 walls, and just a beautiful handcrafted, made in USA Amish built cabin. So just wanted to film that for y'all real quick, and for my buddy Charles, who's thinking about getting the bigger version of this one. Yeah, give me a call, guys. If you see something you like, I'm gonna upload this to the social media. My name's OC, number's 812-595-4033. Again, that's 812-595-4033. And remember, this dresser here is not part of it. We just ain't set it up in the bedroom yet. That is just the Amish getting me some furniture, because they want me to push the furniture on they want me to sell their furniture for them too. So anyways, with that said, let me go back out and show you the outside one last time. And you walk outside, you got your swing, and once again, there you go. So Charles or anybody else, if y'all are interested, give us a call. There's the new El Chapo, the original El Chapos over here. Give us a call. Let's get you one of these on your land. Again, 812-595-4033, 595-4033. Y'all have a blessed day now. All right, guys, let's introduce you to the one I call the Baby Montana A-frame prefab. This is a park model, an RV, a park model RV. It's got the A-frame on the end. Big old glass window. I think this one's super cool. It's a 10 foot by 20 foot. Got the tin roof and got the rib metal siding on it. It's just like a studio cabin, almost like a camper cabin. Like I said, 10 by 20. Got the little mini split on the one side. I call this one the Baby Montana because it's like a Montana cabin. Okay, you walk on in. Straight ahead, you got your bathroom with your pocket door. To the right, you got your open concept. And remember, we could also design this in a way to where you could do one of those fold out beds. So maybe during the day, it folds into a couch. So you have more space, to kind of more livable space. But the way this is set up now, this is actually built, this is a built-in. And so you actually have some drawers here at the end. And these are the slow close deals. See what I'm saying? They're like the slow close ordeals where you got some drawers there underneath to make it functional space. A second here, my phone's going off. Seattle, Washington. I'll call you back. So again, beautiful cabin, built by the Amish. We ship it nationwide. Next time I film this, I'll be able to show you all how these retractable screens work, so we can close off these. I got to call the Amish and ask them how that works, because I think I seen some remote control. So that's probably what that is for, unless it's manual. I'm not sure. Maybe some of y'all are familiar with it. The brand is called Velux, V-E-L-U-X. Velux. So some sort of retractable screen there. And again, to me, this just sets it off. I mean, look at this. How cool is this, right? I mean, and again, me being 6'6", I can stand straight up and down. Got some flies that got in here. Left the door open. Look at that. Me being 6'6", I can stand straight up and down in this cabin. And like I said, very functional, very livable space. And just so you know, what you're looking at on these white walls here, guys, this is not drywall, okay? This is actually birch. Listen, you hear that? Solid wood. Listen, that is not drywall, so that's not going to crack and break when you're going up and down the highway. That is real wood. It is birch plywood painted white, or we can paint it any color you want. Or remember, you can upgrade and go with like a tongue and groove pine if you want it to be like a cabin, like a rustic deal. So you can do that as well. So this is a full-size bed. It might actually be a queen, but it's definitely for sure at least a full, and very livable, very functional space. Got your LVP floors and got your outlets here. So again, just let us know how you want us to set it up. You could put one of those 4-burner induction stoves or 2-burner induction stoves here for cooking. Those are very popular, the electric induction stoves. Again, you got your double pane windows, Anderson windows, and again, most importantly, your shower. Again, I'm a tall fella at 6'6". I can stand straight up and down in here, no problem, and get me a shower. So if I fit, I know you can as well. And then again, you get your window there, put some privacy curtains up. You got your commode right here. And you got your cabinets here. And of course, this is a pocket door for privacy. And you can go with a solid door if you got some bears out where you're at, or go with this nice big glass door to allow all kinds of natural light to come into your Baby Montana. So again, this is the Baby Montana RV park model A-frame. Totally prefabricated, plug and play, ready to go for $79,900. Give us a call today at 812-595-4033. That's 812-595-4033. And yeah, let's get you one of these on your land. Y'all be blessed. Thanks for tuning in. You know who it is. Cabin Cowboy coming at you. Don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe. That way you don't miss any of my future content. I stay coming out with new partnerships with the Amish and bringing you out new content, new cabins to kind of keep y'all excited. So follow the content. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a blessed day. All right, guys, this is the one we call the Big Bertha 1.0. Doing me a little quick walkthrough video here. As you can see, we got something new inside the Big Bertha. This is a beautiful wood burning stove. We have partnered up with a company that makes beautiful wood burning stoves because everybody's always asking us, hey, do you guys offer wood burning stove packages with your cabins? Well, guess what? Now we do. The company that manufactures the wood burning stoves heard one of our videos where people kept asking about wood burning stoves, so they sent me a couple of them to educate y'all upon them. So now, as you can see, we got these big, beautiful wood burning stoves. Now, of course, we're gonna do them in many different shapes and sizes, but beautiful wood burning stove here that we can now offer in our cabins. So again, if you're looking for a cabin or a wood burning stove, give us a call. We can get it done. Look at those beautiful knotty pine kitchen cabinets. Look at that live edge table built in with the 4 stools. Again, whether you're looking for a cabin, like what you see here with the Big Bertha 1.0, or you're looking for a beautiful wood burning stove that's gonna last a lifetime. It does have a cook stove on top, so you can do your cooking. You got a warming oven here. You got your, where your wood goes over there, and then you got your cook stove right here on top. So you can get down and get some cooking going. See what I'm saying? So you do your cooking on top. You got your warming oven, and then you got your spot for your firewood. Beautiful structure. We ship them nationwide, guys. So again, whether you're looking for a cabin or a wood burning stove, we got you. Let me go upstairs and show you the second floor while I'm running the camera here. Up here on the second floor of the Big Bertha 1.0. As you can see, we got the lofted bedrooms up on the second floor connected by the catwalk. Again, there's your live edge table, front door over here, back door, and then you got this. Again, I'm a tall fella, I'm 6'6", and I can stand straight up and down. Up on the second floor. Remember too, if you want, we can wall this room off and privatize it like we did this bedroom over there.